Today we study the chapter The Beggar of your book Moments, chapter number 10. Here the advocate Sergey was determined by beggar one day, and the beggar was crying to have pity on him. He said that he had nothing to eat. He had been a school teacher for 8 years, but they lost the place. The beggar was in rag. He had dull and drunken eyes. He had the red spot on either cheek. He wore one high and one low shoe. Sergey recognized the beggar. He told him that he had met him in Sarvodaya Main Street. Then he had called himself a student. Sergey warned him that he would send for the police. The beggar admitted and told the truth. The beggar asked Sergey for work. Sergey asked the beggar to chop wood for him. When he asked for work, the beggar agreed to do that work, though unwillingly. The beggar was taken by Sergey's servant Olga to the shed. He had to chop woods there. Sergey could see Olga and the beggar in the shed. Olga gave the beggar an axe, but seeing the expression on his face, she scolded him. The beggar put a billet of wood between his feet, then he struck his feebly with his axe. The billet fell down. Meanwhile, Sergey went away. He had set a drunken and spoiled man at work in the cold. He began to feel sorry for it. The beggar is given various kinds of work. Sergey found work for the beggar. The beggar would cut the wood on the first of every month. He would also shovel snow. He would beat dust one of the rugs and mattresses. He would put the word shed in order. Sergey moved into another house. The beggar packed and carried the furniture. Lashkov the beggar offered another employment. Lashkov the beggar was now offered another employment. Sergey asked him to get to his friend. There he would be given some copying work as he could write. Sergey was happy as he has put a man on the right path. Sergey and Lashkov met after 2 years. 2 years went by. One evening, Sergey was standing at a ticket window of a theatre. He was paying for his seat. He saw a little man beside him. The man wore a curly fur and a sealskin cap. Sergey recognized him. He asked him how he was. Lashkov tells about himself. Lashkov told Sergey that he was a notary. Then he was paid 35 rubles a month. Sergey was very pleased to hear him. Lashkov thanked Sergey for what he had done for him. He told Sergey that if he had not helped him, he would have still been telling lies. He thanked Sergey and Olga, the cook. He told Sergey that Olga had actually saved him. Lashkov tells more about Olga, the cook. Lashkov told Sergey that Olga would rebuke him. Then she would sit opposite to him and weep. She would call him various names. She would grow sad also. Then she would chop the wood for him. He amazed Sergey by saying that he didn't chop a single stick of wood for him. Due to Olga's action, there came a change in his heart. He was set right by Olga and he won't forget her. He told Sergey that it was time for the bell, and they departed to the gallery.